Hello guys, Moneymaker001 here. In this video, I'm gonna show you a really interesting product which you can promote very easily, and you are gonna get all the material ready-made to promote this product. Okay, so you are gonna get content for your social media, Instagram and Pinterest. You are already going to get ready-made content for this, as well as you are going to get content for YouTube. So all you need to do is take that content, create a channel, upload those videos to YouTube, and take that other content and upload it to your Instagram as well as Pinterest. Okay, so let's jump with the content without wasting any of your time, because I'm gonna show you that interesting product. So now let's jump into the content. So first of all, to find that product, you need to go to Clickbank marketplace and search for this keyword which is known as custom keto. If you don't know what Clickbank is a marketplace from where you can find products and you can promote those products as an affiliate. Okay, if you really don't know about, check out the other videos of mine in which I have shown you what is Clickbank and how to use it. So don't worry about that, just join this network known as Clickbank. Okay, and you have to search this keyword in the marketplace, that is custom keto. Okay, so this is a product related to keto niche and you can start promoting it, and you can see it has a gravity of 215, which is really high gravity. And now I'm going to show you what are the affiliate resources which you are getting, and this affiliate resources are something valuable. Okay, so let's first go and search here. Just click on here on social medias. You will go once you go to this page, okay, over here, affiliates, okay, that is customketodiet.com/affiliates. You will land up over here, and you can see that social media, and you can see all these packages are available over here. All these packages contain image of this particular product and images related to this particular keto product. Okay, and what are there are 10 images in all of these packages. I have already downloaded 2 or 3 packages and seen that there are 10 images. So you can see that there are up to 120 images for you, which you can directly download from over here and upload those to your Instagram account or your Pinterest account. So these two things are ready for you. So you already have some good content to put on your social media accounts. Okay, so this is really interesting. So just take this content, put it on your social media accounts, and just start generating some traffic. Okay, and another best thing about this product is that you are also getting videos. Yeah, you are getting up to 120 videos of this product, which you can directly download, create a new YouTube channel, and upload those videos to that channel and provide the affiliate link of this particular product in the description of this videos, and you can really start making money out of it. Okay, so it just requires a day or two to download all these videos and upload those to YouTube, and you can then schedule the videos that the videos will be public every single day on YouTube. So everything is possible. All you need to do is download the stuff and upload it on YouTube, and that's really easy, really simple. All of you can do this stuff and really make some good affiliate income. All you need to do is put in some work. It may take some time to upload all these videos, but definitely you can do this and start making some really good money. So just get ready and start promoting this product. Seriously, I need you to take action on this method, because this is the easiest thing you can ever do. You don't need to invest any money. All you can do is just take the videos, upload to your YouTube channel, take the content and upload that to your social medias, Instagram and Pinterest, and start promoting this awesome product. And you are really gonna be very happy if you complete this challenge. If you upload all these videos as well as all this content on your Instagram, Pinterest and YouTube, I can definitely say that you are gonna make a very good amount of money just by doing this first step. But you are not going to make any money if you are not going to take this step. So take this step. And if you don't know how to create Instagram page or Pinterest or a YouTube channel, I have created lots of video about that. So just check out those videos and you can get the idea how to do all this stuff. and you can start promoting this product. That's really an awesome product. I just found doing my research about various affiliate marketing products. I personally am not gonna promote this product because I'm working on some another niche. So I definitely provide this product idea and information to you that you should promote this product. It's really easy and good to go. Okay, the best method, the beginner friendliest product which anyone can promote utilizing this super easy strategy. So if you like my video, if you like my content, then just press the like button below this video, as well as you can share this video to someone who is interested in this type of topics, as well as comment down below whatever your opinion is regarding this channel, and I will be happy to read all those comments. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay happy, stay subscribed, and thanks for watching.